Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Chiranjeev Das. I welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will discuss with you today current affair. We can see the first question on the screen. Who has been shown as the 46th president of America recently? This question answer will be John Biden. John Biden, a very old man, is 78 years old. And some important point for America. Washington DC, the capital of the United States. The USA currency is dollar, and there are five Great Lakes. Let's find out. This feature is John Biden, and the five Great Lakes: Superior, Michigan, Huron, Ontario. This feature is Rocky Mountain. The Rocky Mountain, also known as the Rocky, are a major mountain range in western North America. Rocky Mountain. Move the second question. Which state ranked the first in India in a innovation index released by Niti Aayog recently? This this question answer will be Karnataka. Full form of Niti Aayog, National Indian Institute Transforming India, established 1 January 2015. Chairman Narendra Modi, CEO Amitabh Kant, Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar, and some important point of Karnataka. Karnataka Governor Bijubhai Bala, CM Yedurappa. Yedurappa is the Indian politician serving as the 19th and current Chief Minister of Karnataka. Yedurappa is serving as the Chief Minister of Karnataka for the fourth time. Yedurappa. Niti Aayog National Institute for the Transforming India. Move the third question. Who inaugurated in the 5th Indian Digital Summit 2021? This answer will be Ravi Shankar Prasad. Ravi Shankar Prasad, who is our Union Minister for Electronics, IT Communication, Law and Justice, Government of India. Move the fourth question. Who became the first bank in India to offer interest-free cash recently? This answer will be IDFC. Full form IDFC, full form Infrastructure Development Finance Company. CEO IDFC CEO V. Vidyanath, established October 2015. Some important one: ICICI, full form of Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India, established 5 June 1994, headquarter Vadodara, Gujarat. And SDFC, full form Housing Development Finance Corporation, established August 1994, headquarter Mumbai, CEO Shashidhar. Kodak, and third is Kodak Mahindra. Kodak Mahindra CEO Uday Kodak, headquarter Mumbai. And to move the fifth question. Recently, India Air Force goes to conduct X Desert Night and 21 exercise with which country Air Force? This answer is France. France capital Paris. Currency Euro. France President Macron. This picture is map is France. Paris is the capital. Move the sixth question. Government of Indian plan to purchase 21 number MiG-29 and 12 number of Sukhoi and 13 MKI fighter for the Indian Air Force from which country? This question answer will be Russia. Some important point of Russia. Russia President Putin and capital Moscow. Currency ruble, Russia ruble. This picture is a MiG-29 This picture is Sukai. This picture is Sukai, and this picture is the 30 MK. Move the 7th question. Which state Gusi mushroom got the GI tag recently? This question answer will be Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir, and we cannot believe it. We cannot believe it. 1 kg 36,000 Gusi mushroom. Some important point and very famous mushroom in Jammu Kashmir. And GI tag, some important point, GI tag 10 years can be export once given. And who is the first GI tag? 2004, and Dazzling Tea. Move the second question. This picture is mushroom, Gusi mushroom. Strawberry festival has been inaugurated at Jhansi by Bundelkhand. This question answer will be Jhansi by Bundelkhand. Move the second question. This picture is Strawberry festival. After whom Maharashtra government has been renamed Gorwada International Zoo. This question answer will be Balasaheb Thackeray. Balasaheb Thackeray, and some important point of Balasaheb Thackeray. Balasaheb Thackeray Shiv Sena established 1966. Balasaheb Thackeray. This picture is Balasaheb Thackeray, the very most important person, Shiv Sena, and established Shiv Sena. Okay. Thank you for watching Current Affair.